Thought I'd better say one more thing. This really shows the importance of roof inspection. And I'm not talking every few years. I mean, really, I think I really need to be inspecting roofs every 6 months ideally, and at least once a year. Especially this top roof. It really is a very critical part of this house. And even the slate, you really don't want slate missing. You can see where I've replaced it quite a few. I mean, sure, over there where it's brand new roof slate, it's very unlikely anything's going to come off, and I don't even really look, and I don't expect to see one either. Of course, if I do, I'm going to take care of it. But here where it's going on 150 years, it can happen. It really can. And I know some spots right now, like really I need to do this valley here. It's not leaking, but because I did fix the one spot, but really I need to come right up through there with brand new aluminum. So that may be a project this year yet. I'm not sure. It's going to be a lot of, I have to build a matrix on the roof, and then the cool thing is I'll be able to do this edge here. But I really planned on getting this edge done first. So not to get off track here, but inspections are very important. That was the point I really wanted to make. So let's get going on our next project.